How to transfer Dogwifhat token from Bybit wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of Dogwifhat token from our Bybit token to be able to receive it. Now, first of all, open your Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets. After that, tap on deposit and now tap on deposit crypto. So after that, what you need to do in the search bar, type the WIF, the token name, and now after you find your token, just click on it. After that, once you do, just select the Solana as a network, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now, as you can see here, now just go back to the home page of the Bybit app to access to Bybit wallet by clicking on Web3 from the top bar. So wait a few seconds to open your Bybit wallet. Now, after you open the Bybit wallet, to get the to find your token, just click on this little square here. Now after you click on it, now you can select your network. In this case, it will be the Solana. So if you don't find it here, as you can see now, I can find it here. So you can type it in the search to find it directly. Now click on Solana token. Now you can find your token. In this case, it will be WIF. So if you don't find it, you can now just if you don't find your WIF or Dogwifhat token, you can search it here, or you can now just go and click on these three lines. Now you can click in the search bar, you can type the name WIF. Wait a few seconds to be able to find your token. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now wait a few seconds. Now go back to your wallet, as you can see here, and search for your token. In this case, it will be WIF. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, what you do, just click on send. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to click on that button. So for you, click on send and provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account, and now type the amount that you want to transfer and click send. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer Dogwifhat from Bybit wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.